So now I should show you how to configure your lens correction to deal with whatever lens distortion that whatever headset you put your phone into will be displaying. So in the companion app on your phone, you're going to want to tap the gears and make sure that lens is marked on. Otherwise, everything you're about to adjust will not actually change anything. So you want to connect the app up to the server, go to the video tab and click adjust lens. Now what you're going to see now are some boxes that you will click through and some sliders you will adjust to make the image on your phone appear as true to life as possible. The easiest way I've found to configure this is to have another person in the room so that you can have the display mounted to your face and someone else can click through it and you can say, yeah, that's alright, because otherwise you need to keep taking the headset off and putting it back on to adjust the settings. But eventually you should have them set exactly where you want. A slightly different one you will spot at the end is chroma, and what chroma deals with is the manipulation of colour and the separation of red, green and blue that you may experience from some lens distortion.